We're heading to Florida, but we're gonna go ahead and wash the van. Me and Elias are gonna wash the van today, and we have a new product we wanna try out called Superclean. And there's a tire shine. It's a tire cleaner. It's this stuff right here. And we're gonna try it. Supposed to be for the tire and the wheel. It's supposed to take care of brake dust, things like that. So the first step, it says clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water, coat wheel surface with Superclean all-wheel cleaner from 6 inches away, allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a soft brush or sponge, rinse wheel thoroughly, dry with a soft clean towel to prevent water spots. So these aren't excessively dirty like my tractor would be, or maybe one of my other vehicles with a lot more brake dust. So we're not going to agitate it or anything. We just want to see how this product works by itself. So we're going to try that here in just a few seconds, right, Elias?
Yep.
That's right. All right. So one wheel at a time. Let's just start right here and see how this works. So I'm going to rinse it with cold water. Yeah, we'll coat this real good, right, Elias?
Yeah, we'll coat it really good. You already got a lot on there.
All right. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds now, and you can kind of see the brown dirt and everything that this foam is actually pulling off the tire. So I still see a few spots, but we'll see what happens when we spray it. That ain't too bad. So there's a tire that has been cleaned with Superclean. Superclean all-wheel cleaner. And here's a tire that hasn't been touched yet. So we'll go to this tire next, see how it'll perform. We might agitate this one a little bit more. You can see there's a lot more mud and dirt caked around the tire. Okay, spray it down with cold water first. Spray all-wheel cleaner Superclean around it. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 seconds and then I might agitate this one, see if I can get that dirt off the tire. All right. There's that. Now, all right. Now we'll spray this tire off. This one looks even better. This stuff works great.
You can purchase Superclean products pretty much anywhere. Honestly, they work really well. My favorite product that we've used so far of theirs is their degreaser. We use it on our tractor and we've used it on our vent hood in our kitchen. It works phenomenal. So I'll do some more videos of their products here soon. Stay tuned.